How to change your phone number on Etoro. Log into your Etoro account. Go to Settings. On the left-hand sidebar, click the gear icon, Gear, labeled Settings. Open the Account tab. In the Settings menu, click on the Account tab to access personal details. Locate the Phone Number section. Under Credentials, find your current phone number. Click Change next to it. Enter your new phone number. Type your new phone number, including your country code. Verify the new number. Etoro will send a 6-digit verification code via SMS to the new number. Enter this code in the app or site to confirm the change. Phone number updated. Once verified, your new number will be saved and used for account security and 2FA, two-factor authentication. If you need more information, please contact customer service. Customer service will provide you with all the information. Thanks for watching.